देखना ना भूलें हर शनिवार रात 9 बजे हमारा खास कार्यक्रम सफर सिर्फ एडवोकेट चैम्बर फॉर लीगल हेल्प पर।
Hello friends, welcome to the Advocate Chamber for Legal Help and I am Advocate Rajiv Kumar Sukla with you. Today I am going to discuss an important topic which is related to maintenance case. As you know, every wife wants to get maintenance from her husband. So wife file a maintenance case before the family court. I am making this video for that wife who is going to file maintenance case against husband before the family court. So whenever you file maintenance case against your husband, then always remember three things. First thing is that you have proof of marriage. Secondly, husband earns money. And thirdly, you don't earn anything. If you remember these three things, then it will be easy for you to get maintenance and you can win maintenance case easily. So this was our short video on maintenance. I shall come back. Till then, goodbye.